Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications, like the video, comment and share. In this video, I am going to discuss on Fourier series.
Interesting problem on practical harmonic analysis I am going to do here. That is, the following table gives the variation of a periodic current capital A over a certain period capital T. Okay, they have given it as a small t as a time in seconds, and 0, t by 6, t by 3, t by 2, 2 t by 3, 5 t by 6 and capital T. Therefore the period is 0 to capital T here, and corresponding amplitude current amp in terms of amperes they have given, that is 1.9 and 1.30 like that. Show that there is a constant part of 0.75 amperes in the current A and obtain a amplitude of a first harmonic. From this one given thing, let me first find the period. Okay, to find out that period or that interval, the interval is here interval alpha to alpha plus 2L is nothing but 0 to capital T, which implies my 2L equal to capital T or L equal to capital T divided by 2. Okay, then using this I have to define the Fourier series. Okay, therefore Fourier series up to first harmonic is given by f of x, that is my amplitude here. Let me write first harmonic and let me substitute. F of x equal to a0 divided by 2 plus a1 into cos n is nothing but 1. Therefore it is pi x by L plus b1 into sin n pi x by L. N is nothing but 1. That is pi x by L. Okay, let me substitute L. F of x is my current A. Okay, and x is nothing but t. My independent variable is t. Therefore, it is a0 by 2 as it is constant term plus a1 I have to calculate cos of pi t small t divided by L. L is t divided by 2. Therefore, I will write it as 2t by L plus b1 into sin of pi small t divided by t divided by 2. Again it is 2. Okay, this is required Fourier half-range first harmonic. In this I have to calculate a0, a1 and b1. How to define this one by one I will discuss now. My Fourier coefficient constant term a0 is defined by 2 times summation f of x or y divided by n is there. But my f of x is what? Capital A now. That is 2 times summation capital A divided by n. I have to calculate. Where n is the total number of observations. That I will come back here. Then A1 is defined to be 2 times summation f of x into cos pi x by L again. Okay, whole divided by n. Therefore, I will substitute 2 into summation f of x is nothing but a cos of pi x is nothing but t divided by t cap L. L is t by 2. Therefore, it is a 2 pi t by 2 whole divided by n. Similarly, b1 is also defined as 2 times summation f of x into sin pi x by L and whole divided by capital N. That is 2 into summation f of x is nothing but capital A into sin pi t. X is what? Small t divided by L. L is t capital T divided by 2. Therefore, it is 2 capital T divided by 2 whole divided by n. For my simplicity, to make the calculation simple part, what I will do, let me put this 2 pi t divided by capital T equal to x. Let me put 2 pi t divided by t equal to x, capital T equal to x. Then I will form the column tables to form this. This will become 2 into summation a into cos x divided by n, and this will become 2 into summation capital A into sin x divided by n. These summations I have to calculate, and I will form the table for this one. While forming the table, small t they have given. Okay, small t. Using that small t, I will calculate x. My x is given by 2 pi t divided by capital T. Okay, and t values. Okay, next what else I want? I want a capital A. Okay, sum of capital A's to find out here. Capital A's, and then A into cos x I want, and A into sin x also I want, summation x. Okay, then I will prepare the table for this one, and I will come back here. I have entered all the t values in terms of capital T, and using that x I have calculated. If you put t equal to 0, x equal to 0. If you put t equal to t by 6 here, 2 pi by t into capital T by t cancels. 2 1s are 2 3s are, therefore it is pi by 3. Like that, I am getting 2 pi by 3. Next pi, 4 pi by 3, and 5 pi by 3 in radians I am going to get. And current also I have written, and total current comes out to be 4.5. Like that, a cos x I have to calculate. Before that, in the calculator, if it is in terms of degree and I am taking a radians, therefore shift mode, then I am going to get a radian as a 4. I am going to get r here. Then to calculate a cos x, alpha a into cos of alpha x you can use. First time calc option, it will ask for a is my 1.98. Okay, and equal to x will ask my x is 0, and it comes out to be 1.98 same 1.98. Then again go on pressing only equal to. A it will ask a value is 1.30. Okay, 1.30, and I will ask for x. X value is pi by 3. That is shift pi divided by 3, and it comes out to be 13 by 29.65. Like that, a cos x and a sin x, and total I will calculate, and I will come back. This I have prepared my table. All these are sum values. Okay, and these sum values I am going to substitute in the formula a0 and a0 a1 b1. Okay, therefore my a0 value will become 2 times summation a. Summation a is 4.5 divided by n, total number of n equal to here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Therefore capital N, number of observations equal to 6. I am going to use, and its value comes out to be 1.5. Like that, a1 equal to 2 times summation a into cos a, that is 1.12 divided by 6, and its value comes out to be 0.3733. Similarly, b1, my b1 value is 2 into 3.0137 divided by 6, and it comes out to be 1.0046. Therefore, Fourier series for a equal to a0 divided by 2, 1.5 divided by 2 plus a into, that is a 0.3733 into cos 2 pi small t divided by capital T plus 1.0046 into sine of 2 pi t divided by capital T. This is the required Fourier series up to first harmonic, and constant term you can check it as a 0.75. Using this amplitude, okay, further first amplitude of the first harmonic, amplitude of first harmonic is equal to square root of a1 square plus b1 square is the amplitude of first harmonic. And if you use that a1 value is 0.3733 square plus 1.0046 square and its square root, and it comes out to be 1.0717. This is the amplitude of first harmonic. Like this, some more examples I am going to do on this harmonic analysis. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe the channel, like the video, comment, and don't forget to share this. Thank you, friends.